Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set your display in Windows 11, your desktop display. So as you can see, here is my desktop display, and if you want to personalize it or do some customization, you can just do these steps. So just right click on the desktop and then click on personalize. Okay, so here is some that you can set. For example, you can also change the background, the colors of the theme itself, the lock screen, the touch keyboard, and also the taskbar. So first, I'm going to show you how to set the background. Just click on the background, and here you can personalize your own background. You can choose a picture album for a slideshow. You can also set the change duration of each picture, and also you can change the contrast themes. So I'm going to just use a picture, and then I'm going to browse the photos. Okay, I'm going to just use in one of these photos, this one, and then you can also choose the fit. Okay, I'm going to use fill, and you can go back to the personalization. You can also change. I'm going to change the themes. Okay, I'm going to click this, and just like that, the theme has been changed. You can go back to the personalization, and I'm going to change the fonts also. So as you can see here, this is the fonts that you can use in your desktop display in your Windows 11. So I'm going to probably use this. You can also choose the font to be bold, light, medium, or regular, like that. And others setting, you can also set the taskbar here, the task view here. I'm going to turn the widgets off. Just click on this until it goes. It will go like this, and this is the task view, like so. This is the search column, so you can basically do anything. Okay, so that is how you can set your desktop display in Windows 11. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next tutorial.